starting to question if I even need E85 at this point, y'all. You feel me? Cause look. Sheesh. Damn, whose ugly ass RCF is this? Oh, what? Is it just that? You guys didn't see that. You guys did not see the load of towels on the floor. Co-start? Damn! That is a violent cold ass start. Last video, like if you guys haven't seen last video, check it out. The video got like almost 300 likes, but you guys are wild for that. Because of that, I am actually going to try to bring this cat home. I saw it like yesterday, but when I was going to work. So like I couldn't do anything. But like today, right, if we see it, guys, like obviously like I'm gonna try. I hope it doesn't bite me because then it's gonna turn into a whole mess. Anyways, guys, hope you guys are doing well. And yo guys, today feels like the first day of spring, and what I mean by that is like it's like I think like 50-something degrees, and you guys already know that we outside. And because of that, right, we are actually going to be adding some E85 to this car today. I don't think I've ran E85 in this car since probably last year, last fall. I don't know. Yeah, so it's really going to be interesting. Also guys, just one more thing. I do have some really good news for the RCF. Something is being fixed in the RCF in about 2 weeks. And if you guys are curious as to know what is being fixed, guess what? The windshield is finally being fixed. So I was actually able to book an appointment to have it fixed in 2 weeks. There wasn't any available appointments today or next week. So the only options was to have it fixed in about 2 weeks. Yo, I feel like I'm kind of wilding for parking the car all the way up here in an isolated location, but it's a good thing we did put air tags in the car last video. This is the only car that's here. Shit, am I wilding? But anyways guys, the elevator is right there, the car is right there, and let's go and grab this gym pump. I may or may not record the video, I don't know. My shoulder is hurting as I'm holding this phone up. Like I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to film anymore, guys. So this is the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'm just playing. I'm just playing, guys. We are going upstairs. Yeah, we're going upstairs. Oh yeah. Hello. Oh, what? This man understands the assignment after you. Shit. Yo guys, I pull up, right? I see an ugly ass Toyota here. Then I see a fire ass Subaru. Honestly, I don't see anyone around. Oh shit, hold on. Let me just unlock the door for her real quick as she's waiting. Wait, what is open?
Yeah, did you lock it?
Yo.
You need to lock the door?
Yo guys, I don't think I ever locked my door. Yo. Yo guys, if you guys have been keeping up, this is the second time, right? Well, kind of the second time. The first time I left the windows open in the RCF and I just left. It's crazy. But anyways, guys, back to the Subaru. Oh, this shit looking kind of clean. Yo, this man parked. Honestly, we might as well just have a car meet, bro. Feel me? This man got the Enkai, I think. Are these the Enkai? This man's on Continentals. Yo, I knew I wasn't the only one that keeps, you know, a set of fiber towels around. This man got that stick shift. Man, he playing no game. This shit is fucking clean. Anyways, guys, back to this bad boy. This little V8. It's looking kind of mean and menacing. All right, guys. Anyways, it's time for us to actually go. Let's get a co-start up in here. Let's get a co-start. Ooh. Fire as always. So Yo, the temperature right now is still pretty phenomenal. So we are still going to add some E85. So you guys already know how that goes. And also, if you guys don't know how I do add E85 in my car, I actually have this app. It is called the E85 app. And essentially, it just allows me to add E85 without adding too much, right? Just exactly E40, right? E40. Yeah, so I think it's the E85 day. I kind of hope you are ready for like just a smidget more power. Probably like it might put us in the 800 wheel horsepower. You never know. All right, guys, I'm trying too much as usual. Time to hit the road. We do have a few errands to run because we're going to a baby shower later on. So yeah, you guys are coming with us. To question if I even need E85 at this point, y'all. You feel me? Because look, got to the first spot, Target. I'm gonna park right next to the Scat Pack to assert my V8 dominance, just so he knows which V8 looks better, sounds better, is better, you know. And right as I was parking, guys, guess what happened, right? A bird decided to drop a big one on the F. Like, why ain't you shit on the freaking Scat? Come on, what you trying to say about the F, bro? Guys, we're in a section, and no, we're not dropping any hints. This is not for us at all. Yeah, we're just, yeah, I'm gonna just grab this. That's it. All right, guys. Whoa, guys, we pull up, and there's a Mercedes. There's a Mercedes Arabus. I'm probably saying it wrong. I don't even know if this shit's real, but there's a Brabus. Shit, parked in an RCF at the same time. Yo, guys, I don't know what's going on, but like, oh shit, I'm sorry. I'm just here admiring this car. Kayla's here like, yo, bro, you gonna open the door? Yo, I'm trying. But sheesh. All right, it's open. Sheesh, RCF. And okay, all right, let's go in. It's kind of cold, but yeah, shit, it's so cool. Wait, I should probably put this in the trunk. But damn, yo, that thing's looking freaking fire. Yo, anyone that knows anything about Mercedes, is this real? I mean, it looks real. I mean, it's a real car, of course. Is it their actual trim? That's what I'm trying to say. It's a good thing that we kind of don't have any gas, as you guys can see, so that I could actually put the right amount of E85 that I need. And yeah, I'm doing the thing where I'm talking too much. All right, bye. As we made it, I'm gonna probably put like maybe 5.4 gallons of E85. No, shit, other way around. 5.something gallons of pump gas mixed with 3 gallons of E85 should bring me close to probably like E40 or some shit. Into this real quick. 3.5. Yo, I think Eddie GS350 has the same exact spray. That's the funny part. Spray this, because like I don't know why out of all cars it chose me. And wipey wipe. Oh, just like that. One motion. This is an Evo. It's a fire ass Evo. Damn, this car is kind of heavy right now. Like, chill out, boy. All right, guys, I'm gonna show you guys how to properly merge. Shift down, shift. And floor it.